I've made over $520,000 in the past month, all by pulling meme coins. Make sure to stick around because I'm going to expose exactly step by step on how to do it yourself and make generational wealth. Now, millions of people are currently trading meme coins at the moment, but did you know that only 0.5% of those people are actually launching them and making a shit ton of money? Because, for example, all they have to do is launch a coin and then dump it, and they're getting away with thousands of dollars every single day. And who knows, maybe your favorite YouTuber, streamer, or even meme coin influencer are orchestrating these types of workflows. Like, for example, I've made over 6 figures in the past 4 months, all by launching my own coins. It's really simple, bro, and the best part is that it's fully repeatable, so you can launch coins over and over again and make how much money you want. So if you are tired of being broke and you want to make a change for yourself, make sure to keep watching this video because I'm going to expose exactly how to launch your own coin and then dump it and make thousands of dollars. But just to be clear, this video is purely for educational purposes only, cap, but please do not copy me, cap. But anyways, now it's time to get straight to the money. If you want to launch your own coins and make some money, you'll want to use this secret meme coin tool that's called launchnow.fun. It's free, and here is where you will be able to launch and create your own coins with no coding required and super fast. And the thing that makes this website so special is that all your coins are all launched on the Raydium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun because nowadays Pump.Fun is too saturated, and also your coins has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to migrate on the Raydium DEX directly. So by launching your own coins on launchnow.fun, it will basically skip that bonding curve time and migrate directly on the Raydium DEX. So by using launchnow.fun, you are making way more money and saving more time. But anyways, to make your own coin, you have 2 different options. The first option is to make your coin manually, so you would essentially create a coin from scratch. So, for example, if a viral meme came out, if someone popular tweeted, or if, I don't know, some news came out, you can make a coin here by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image, and just follow the simple steps. But the second option is actually my favorite one because it's the one that I use. Basically, we just come to the copy trending coins feature right here, and we steal what is already working. So the concept is pretty simple. Basically, you find a good coin, you duplicate the coin, you pump it, and then you dump it, and you rinse and repeat. All the coins that pops up here are all filtered out in your favor, so all you have to do is duplicate the coin and then dump it. And these coins are all pumping, they're all trending on Pump.Fun, so by duplicating these coins, you are guaranteed to get some buyers. But enough yapping, and let's copy a coin and then dump it. So the coin that caught my attention is called Bitcoin Talk right here because it is king of the hill and it has a last buy 3 seconds ago. So I'm gonna create coin right here. After that, okay, a warning will pop up. It's completely normal, bro. It's just a warning from Phantom. Just ignore, proceed anyway, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin should be created shortly. Boom, copy here, and then click on create liquidity pool because here is where you will be able to create your own coin and make it tradable on the blockchain. Now, as you can see here, your coin and your Solana balance should be pre-selected. Now, for the amount token A, I like to click on 90% because I want to keep 100 million coins in my wallet. But obviously, if you are a beginner, you can obviously click on max. It's really simple, right? Just click a button. Amount token B, I like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. So for example, I'll put 0.5 Solana for the video. This is actually the first buy inside your own coin that is coming out from your own wallet. You are not losing this money. Since you'll be the first buyer, you are not losing this money. It will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity, which I will show you guys exactly how to do later in the video. And then you should be ready to create your own coin. So in 3, 2, 1, create pool. Just be patient, obviously, and then confirm. Then click on refresh. Boom, as you can see, it popped up. I'm already $50 in profit USD. That is actually insane, bro. What? Now click on view on Photon and No data yet, yeah, because the coin is fresh, obviously. Hello? Okay, boom, as you can see, it popped up. What the hell just happened here? Oh my god, the coin is pumping. As you can see here, it is pumping. I don't know what the hell happened. Oh my god, it's pumping a lot. This coin might explode. $18, not bad. Come on. Now, by the way, if you want to check your profits, you can come here, click on refresh, and boom, it's right there. Yo, it's pumping more. What? Oh my god, the coin dipped, and then it exploded back to the upside. What the hell? Oh my god, yo, come on, push up, push up. Yo, there's always a dip and then it comes back up. Look, it's gonna go up. Boom, it went up, I told you. Okay, yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro, just fucking go up, come on. Come on, okay, if it pumps like just a bit higher, I am gonna remove the liquidity, fuck it. Come on. Oh, come on, come on, go higher, push, push. Okay, fuck it. One more buy, and then I'm removing the liquidity. Fuck it. Oh my god! What the hell? Oh my god! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back and launch now.fun. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Come on, go fast, go fast! Oh my god! This might be insane. Confirm. Come on, what? And boom! That's exactly how you dump a coin and make a shit ton of money, bro! Oh my god! Yo! And if I open my Phantom wallet to see how much I made in 3, 2, 1... $550 is inside my wallet, bro. What? I made a $400 profit off this one launch. Launchnow.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. It's the only legit website that works. If you want to enter your 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.